Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to send money from the UK to Australia. Sending money internationally can be a daunting task, but with the right information, it can be a straightforward process. First, you need to determine the purpose of your transfer. Are you sending money to a friend or family member? Or are you paying for a service or product? This information will help you choose the best transfer method for your needs. Next, you need to choose a transfer method. There are several options available, including banks, money transfer services, and online platforms. Each method has its own fees, exchange rates, and transfer times. Banks are a traditional option, but they often have high fees and poor exchange rates. Money transfer services, such as Western Union and MoneyGram, are convenient, but also have high fees. Online platforms, such as TransferWise and PayPal, offer competitive exchange rates and lower fees. Once you have chosen a transfer method, you need to gather the necessary information. This includes the recipient's name, address, and bank account details. You will also need to provide identification and proof of address to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. Now, let's look at the step-by-step process of sending money from the UK to Australia. First, create an account with your chosen transfer method. This will involve providing personal and financial information. Next, enter the recipient's details and the amount you want to send. Choose your payment method, such as a bank transfer or debit card. Review the transfer details, including the exchange rate, fees, and transfer time. Finally, confirm the transfer and wait for the funds to be delivered. It's also important to consider the exchange rate and fees when sending money internationally. Look for a transfer method that offers a competitive exchange rate and low fees. Some transfer methods also offer additional services, such as transfer tracking and recipient notification. In conclusion, sending money from the UK to Australia is a straightforward process when you choose the right transfer method and follow the step-by-step guide. Remember to consider the purpose of your transfer. Choose a transfer method that meets your needs. Gather the necessary information, and carefully review the transfer details before confirming the transfer. By following these steps, you can ensure a safe and efficient transfer of funds.